my name's Chloe Marie. I'm a full-time student here at Miami International Fine Arts. I used to be part of the professional community, but after COVID, after losing my job, I decided that I wanted to come back to school full-time. My journey here has been wonderful. This past year, I couldn't trade it for the world. The staff here is wonderful, awesome teachers. The curriculum tailored to you, your speed, your financial stability. MIFA is more than just an academy. MIFA is my family now. Starting was really difficult, an upward climb. But you have to believe in yourself and trust the process, as cheesy as that sounds. After a year of full-time, I feel like I'm just starting to get the swing of it, starting to really develop my personal projects, no longer doing master copies, but exploring how I want to express myself as a painter. I would recommend the Academy to any level artist, whether beginning their process or deciding to hone their skills. MIFA is flexible and has a wide variety of programs for anyone to use.